Welcome to Read Along Kids!
Hey there, Read Along Kids! Welcome back to another amazing adventure. Today's story is called Baby Looney Tunes, Hiccup! Hick! Oh no! Baby Sylvester has the hiccups. I know just what to do for those, says Baby Tweety. Sylvester's going to need a really big glass of water, says Baby Tweety, hurrying over to the sink. Stand on the chair and drink it all up. That's the only way to get rid of those nasty hiccups.